Look at the lemons. There are 26 lemons. Then 11 lemons are taken away. So how many lemons are left? Let's solve the math story. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our math lesson. Today we will solve word problems with subtraction. We read the story, then we choose the correct math. Let's begin. Look at the picture. There are 26 lemons. Some lemons are taken away. 11 lemons are taken away. How many lemons are left? So what should we do? Should we add or subtract? We are taking lemons away, so we use subtraction. The correct math is 26 minus 11, not 26 plus 11. Great! Now let's look at another math story.
Listen, point, and repeat.
I have 36 biscuits. I take 14 biscuits away. 36 minus 14 is 22. 22 biscuits are left.
Look at the biscuits. I have 36 biscuits. I take 14 biscuits away. So we write 36 minus 14. Now let's subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer is 36 minus 14 is 22. So we say 22 biscuits are left. 22 biscuits are left. Excellent. Now let's practice.
1. Listen and number. Number 1.
I have 68 books. I take 11 books away.
Number 2.
I have 25 pencils. I take 12 pencils away.
Number 3.
I have 36 toy cars. I take 22 toy cars away.
Number 4.
I have 18 balls. I take 5 balls away.
Good job. Now let's solve more word problems.
2. Write and say.
Number 1. I have 34 apples. I take 11 apples away. So we write 34 minus 11. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer is 34 minus 11 is 23. So we say 23 apples are left. Number 2. I have 45 flowers. I take 23 flowers away. So we write 45 minus 23. 5 minus 3 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer is 45 minus 23 is 22. 22 flowers are left. Number 3. I have 15 crayons. I take 5 crayons away. So we write 15 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So the answer is 15 minus 5 is 10. 10 crayons are left. Great. Now let's play a fun game.
Find the cards.
Look at the children. The girl says, I have 27 ducks. Then she says, I take 14 ducks away. So we write 27 minus 14. Let's subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 27 minus 14 is 13. 13 ducks are left. Excellent work today. Today we solve word problems with subtraction. Remember the steps. First, read the story. Then choose subtraction. Then solve the math. Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.